Kind of the same thing. Out of 18, there was 4 misses. That means 14. That means 14 exceeded expectations. A lot of people, they dwell on the negative. Look, 4 didn't match. But look at the 14 did. So you have to take a lot of this data and say, okay, it's not as bad as a lot of the world's telling us. You might be in a little bit of a bad situation in your life right now, but overall, when we look at the nation, it's not looking so bad, folks. So that's what we're seeing right through there. Now let's get over to the bond market to see how it's reacting for today. Again, we have bonds up 5 ticks. What this means that mortgage rates will come down. Well, 5 ticks or 6 ticks isn't really going to do anything. You need about 10, 12, 15, and then you're going to start seeing the markets move. But here's a 2-day chart. Okay, what you need to understand, if you're new to the channel, you have to understand how this works. Okay, as this chart goes up, all right, that means rates are coming down. There's an inverse relationship. As this goes down, rates go up. Here's what I want to help people do. I want you to help avoid this. Okay, well, let's go back a year. Here's what happens. Remember when rates are up, when this price is up, rates are low. Okay, as it goes up, the lower the rates get. Look where we were back here. When was this? This was September of last year, when a lot of people were refinancing because they're like, okay, the rates hit like 6.2, a little bit even lower than where they are today. What happened right after that? That's when the Federal Reserve cut rates, went down and down and down. What do we know when it goes down? Rates go up. So millions of people miss this opportunity. They're like, we're just going to wait for rates to get a little bit lower. Well, they did that and they missed. Okay, then they got another reprieve and a lot of people missed. And then rates spiked from there. Okay, so we're back up to these times where we were, earlier in the year and almost back to, I don't think we're going to get back to here these September levels, but we might get there sooner than we think as a lot of this dust starts to settle. But right now, you're getting another reprieve, folks, because remember, down here, this is when rates were